Good morning everyone. Today we will be starting with our new chapter 9, parameters, area and volume. So this chapter will be coming in your final exam syllabus. Okay. So we will be starting with the new chapter. Along with it we will be doing our math revision also. So now what you have to do is perimeter, area and volume you have to understand. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter in lame language if you want to ask is a border. Okay, if I say that I am having this book, okay, so if I want to find the perimeter of this book, what I will do is I just find out the border of this book. Suppose we have to put a tape on the border of the book. So what you will do, you will find the perimeter of the book. Okay, so perimeter of the book, like this you will put the tape, perimeter of this page. If I want to put the tape of this if I want to put the tape on this page, so I will be finding this thing only. Okay, not this thing, not in between, you will find the border of the book only. Okay, remember, if I want to find the perimeter of this thing also, so what you will do, you will find the border of this part only. Okay, only border you are finding it out. So perimeter means border. When you want to put a fence, okay, when you want to put a fence to the garden, then also you will find out the border of the garden. Here you have been given a picture. Okay, so we have formula for perimeter of square, perimeter of rectangle, like this. But here the picture is not a proper square, not a proper rectangle also, and any other shape. So how you will find the perimeter and area of this figure? Okay, so what you will do is calculate the perimeter and the area of the given shape. Consider the length of the side of each square is 1 centimeter. Means one of the square, that square is given is 1 centimeter. As you can see here, I have written counting. So what you have to do here is you just find out the border of this figure. Okay, for the perimeter, firstly you have to find the perimeter. So what you will do, you will start counting from here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38. This 39 is wrong here, 39 should be here. We will not count this thing because this is not coming in the border. So here you will write 39. Okay, there is some mistake here, you will write 139 here. So 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55. Not this one. Okay, these two you will not write. 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71. Okay, so this will be the 71 will be the your this thing, this squares. Okay, so it will be equals to 71 square, 71 centimeter. I will write it down here. 71 centimeter will be the squares here. Okay, then afterwards you will start filling inside. So it will be equals to 72. The 73 will be equals to 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Like this you will fill whole square, and then afterwards in last you will be getting 125. 125 centimeter square. 125 centimeter square. Okay, so after filling all this you will be getting 125 centimeter square. So this will be when you will fill inside of the figure. You will write the numbers from inside, so you will get the area of this figure. You will get the area of this figure. Okay, so when you will fill the inside of this figure, you will get the area of this figure. Okay, so as you can see here, I have rubbed all these inside numbers, so it will be more clear to you. When you will find out the perimeter of this numbers, you have to fill like this. You have to leave this box, you have to leave these two box, and this you have to leave these two box, and this one box also. Why? Because now you can see that last number that I am getting is 70. So the perimeter of this figure will be 70 centimeters. Why we are leaving this all these squares? Because here as you can see that this doesn't come in the border of the figure. This one, this one, this one, this one, this is not coming at the border आपको फिर फाइंड आउट करना, सो बॉर्डर्स पे आपको नंबर लिखने पड़ेंगे. सो दिस वन इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ दिस फिगर, सो दिस 70 सेंटीमीटर विल बी योर पेरीमीटर. ओके, पेरीमीटर ऑफ विद दिस फिगर. रिमेंबर यू हैव टू लीव this box, these two and these two. Okay, if you will not leave these boxes, your counting will be wrong. Okay, now we will find out the area of this box. You can start writing your numbering from here. 71, 72, 73, 74, like this you will go. 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, doesn't matter आप कहाँ पे नंबर लिख रहे हो. ठीक है, so you can write it here. 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. So you can see that I filled all the numbers, all the boxes, and the last number that I am getting is 126. So the area of this figure, when you will fill whole figure from inside, your area will be 126 centimeter square. This you have to write up small 2. Okay, so now trick, what do you mean by area? Let me tell you now. When you have to find the area of something, it means that you are finding the whole thing, whole book page. Okay, you will paint on this book, okay, page cover. Okay, if you want to paint on this, so you have to find the area. There will be a proper exercise for area. Firstly we will be covering perimeter, then we will go for area. I will tell you more about area afterwards. Now take the what you already know, calculate the perimeter of closed figure. Can you find the closed figure perimeter? Yes, so I have taken it. Now calculate the area of regular and irregular shapes using a square grid. So can you find the area and perimeter of regular and irregular shape? Yes, so we have put tick here. Okay, now we have this exercise. Before exercise we have to learn the area of. Okay, so this area is given to you. Perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 multiply length plus breadth. Okay, 2 multiply length plus breadth. And the perimeter of a square, this PQRS means perimeter of a square, that is 4 multiply length of a side. Okay, so you have to multiply any length of the side will be given, you will be multiplying with 4. As you know that square always have equal sides. Okay, square will always have equal sides, so that's why 4 multiply length of a side, because there are 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. So whatever side is given, you just multiply with 4, or you can add the sides. Okay, but like whatever is given to you, you can add all the 4 sides, then also you can find the perimeter. Here also, when you want to find the length and breadth, means total perimeter of a rectangle, you can add all 4 sides, that is also correct. Okay, all 4 2 lengths will be given. This is length for you and this one is breadth for you. So this is length and this one is breadth, remember. So there are 2 lengths, you can add this, and there are 2 breadths, you can add 4 of them, and then you will get the answer perimeter. But for the formula, if you want to use, so this is 2 lengths are given, so 2 lengths, bracket is open, means 2 length, 2 breadth. You have to add length and breadth and multiply with 2, then you will get the answer. Length is this long and breadth is this, okay, wide. Width को breadth बोलते हैं. I hope that this is quite clear to you everyone. Okay, bye bye, and prepare for your PA2 exams properly. Bye bye.